Okay, so we prefer to use scissors because we find we get less big long scratches on our panels. So we'll just remove the shrink wrap, nice and easy. So that's all the shrink wrap off. Just tie up, open the box up, and you'll see we end up with everything we need in the door, nicely stacked. Okay, so we've got the frame open, and you can see we've got a well-packaged set of equipment. I'm going to talk you through the main items. The first and the most important item in here is this. It's the fitting instructions. Now I know you've probably fitted a lot of sectional doors, but there's some odd bits and pieces that you need to understand. And if we do make product updates, then it'll tell you in here. It will also tell you how to install the door safely. So please follow the health and safety information, use the right tools, and make sure that you have got the relevant experience for fitting a product like this. So what else have we got here? So see if we can just move this here and lift this on top and set it down. This is the frame leg. You can see this one's black and it's for back fixing the holes are here in the frame. Here we've got the horizontal track that we run back into the garage, and packed in here are the springs that you'll need. We've got the curves that were packed nicely between the tracks, and you can see everything's protected nicely with these polystyrene blocks. Here we've got our hanging brackets, our spacer bar extension pieces, and our cables. Now at either end there's a box, and inside each box there's all the hardware. So pulleys, spring spacers, intermediate roller brackets, fixings. This little bag is particularly important. Look out for it. It's the one that's got the T20 fixings. Everything in there is pretty unique. Torque fixings for the panels, frame brackets, intermediate hinges, and at the other end, so you've got the main fixings. So those are your 13mm fixings for into the wall and into the floor. You can see we've got rollers and intermediate roller brackets and all the bits and pieces that you'll need to install the door, which we'll talk you through when we actually work through the door. But you can see these are the main components, nicely packed, and it's all pretty logical. Okay, let's get on with assembling the frame.